Here I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Let's scroll down, and here you need to choose the apps. From the apps, let's choose the more key right here and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default apps for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this operation, let's tap reset right here. And that's it, you just reset app preferences. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.